Installing a processor direct water cooling module. Loosen the screw on the processor board. Align the screw holes on the hose holder and processor board, and also align the guiding pins of the holder with the rear wall. Fasten the screw to secure the holder to the processor board. Unfasten the two screws from the hose holder cover. Pull the cover backwards to disengage it from the holder. Hold the cold plate and align the triangular mark and the Torx T20 screws on the cold plate assembly with the triangular mark and threaded posts of the processor socket, and then insert the cold plate assembly into the processor socket. Fully fasten the 6 Torx T20 captive screws in the installation sequence shown on the cold plate. Connect the liquid detection sensor module cable to the connector on the system board assembly. Install the hoses and liquid detection sensor module in the hose holder. Make sure that the side with the status LED is facing up and route the cables as shown. The hoses have guide labels attached. Make sure to align the labels with the holder latches as shown. Otherwise, the hoses might obstruct the connectors on the system board assembly. Slide the hose holder cover into the holder and fasten the 2 screws. Install the cold plate covers on the processor heat sinks. Install the top cover.